Hello everybody, it's your guy Mr. Mpada again. Yeah, so guys, this is a funded account. So this one we're gonna treat it with respect. Sorry, I think I'm looking for what do you call it? Yes, DJPY. Let's go to Japan, guys. I think here, let me copy it here. I think my mentees have been calling me, telling me that the market has reached the high of the week here, of which they are right, man. Our market has reached, guys, the high of the week. They have looked with our bulletproof strategy indicator. It's called the bulletproof indicator. And the bulletproof strategy, I've confirmed everything. This is the high of the week. So when the market reaches the high of the week, guys, what do? We sell. So this one, I'm not gonna go hard. As you can see, I'm just trying to enter only to cough, and then if it retrace a little bit, maybe I'll enter more because I know this is the high of the week. So let me see what will be my stop loss. There will be too much. It's almost 5%. As for me, I can't risk 5%. I'll put my stop loss somewhere here. Let me look if our stop loss is valid, because sometimes they'll try to, yes, it's valid. It's a valid stop loss, man. I'm even able to to put it, man. So guys, man, it is what it is. So what's our target? We're not gonna be too greedy. Maybe around 3,000 for a first trade is not bad. Let me put it here. 3,000 for a first trade is not bad. So guys, this is one of my mentees. I've been trying to explain to him, guys, that he was like, this one, can I use a small account of $10 to $30 US? So guys, I want to reply this message for those who have small accounts, guys. It's when I responded here, that's too low. You can start by buying a prop firm of 5k USD, a funded account, and then use the bulletproof strategy for payouts. I mean, I've got mentees who are receiving $200, sometimes $100. It's $100, sometimes $120 US per week with the prop firm which I'm using it. You are able to withdraw weekly, but the first payout is on demand. I think I showed you when I was entering this trade, when I was telling you that this is the high of the week. It's not even me who caught up this trade. I didn't even have USDJPY here. You saw me searching it here. One of my mentees was like, Mr. Mpada, can you please take a look and confirm for me? You understand? If on USDJPY has reached the high of the week. And I was like, it's okay. Say no more. Let me check it out. And see now, man. This trade was caught by one of my mentees, man. It is what it is, man. Look at the entry, man. Look at the entry. This is beautiful, man. Do you see how I'm trading on a funded account and how I'm trading on a challenge? It's totally different. I only entered one entry because, man, this is real money. You understand? I've been staying in India for too long. So, guys, with the Indian accent is still in me. This is real money. You understand? You understand? I miss India, man. So, it is what it is, man. So, man, you've been preaching this long, man. As you can see the date, man. On the same day, I funded, I passed phase 2. Now, I'm now funded. You understand? So, one of my mentees here, guys, let me just show you. I think I showed you. He has been trying. He said that he has got a small account. He's got small money around $30 or $10, man. Instead for you risking that $10, risking that $30, try to trade professional. I think I mentioned it in my group here, man. I've mentioned it here, man. Here, going forward, I'll be sharing each and every trade personally I take from PropFirm's account. So guys, try by all means to trade professional. For example, if you have, let's say, you have $50 or you have $60, instead of risking that $60, right, go to a prop firm, a trustable prop firm. You understand? Let me just go on my here. So the first prop firm that I trust with all my heart, it's Yeah, FTMO is because they're celebrating 10 years. Man, these guys, they're rock solid, guys. They're like the G's, you understand? So instead of trading that $80, try to find a small account, man. Maybe 80 something, 89 euro. I don't know how much will it be in US dollars or whatever. Try to find a small account. As you can see, they're saying average payout is maybe 680. It's not that bad, man. From just $89, because for example, if you are my mentee, you understand, you have the bulletproof strategy, you understand, you have me on your back. Before you enter each and every trade, call me, Mr. But I think for all my mentees, they've got my number, my personal WhatsApp number. Call me on WhatsApp, because on Telegram I might not be around. Call me on WhatsApp, Mr. Mbada, like what this guy did. He called me, like, I'm seeing here, it has reached the high of the week. You understand? And then I've entered, because I respect my mentees, man. They are my, I mean, it is what it is. So buy a small account or buy this one. This one is problem with it. They don't have small accounts, but I think they've got the 2-step. Don't go and whatever they are offering. Don't take any other instant accounts from this prop firm. They are very, very too expensive, but it's a good prop firm. It's a good prop firm. They don't have, those funded next, what do you call them? Commissions, high commissions. They don't have that one. So as for me, I prefer the 2-step challenge, step 1 and step 2, you understand? And then go for the smallest. They've got a 5K. It's okay. Go for the smallest account, $39. But if you want, for example, 3-phase, 4-phase, it's a new prop firm. It was started in 2025. Last year, it's a very, very, very new prop firm. But they're doing wonders. African International Funds, their trading conditions are off the charts. I don't want to lie to you. So over here, as for me, 1 phase is expensive. As for me, I like the 2-phase one because it has got the 12% maximum overall loss. You understand? So I know that I'll be only focusing on 12%. You understand? Not over. If you look at on phase 1, it's, I think, how much is it overall loss? It's 6%. If you go here on phase 3, overall loss is becoming 10%. Same as funded next and other prop firms. But this one, I'll put it on my third option on prop firm. So right now, I've been testing it. This is the one which I'm trying to make another withdrawal here. I will show you too if they are able to pay. Definitely they will pay me, guys. I will show, because they've been paying my mentees. Because my mentees are the ones who referred to me. The guy who is in Uganda, they think they are. Man, look, there is no even spread, man. This is beautiful, man. Look at this. That's why I'm able to even utilize, man, the leverage they are offering me, man. It is what it is. So right now, let's just wait for it. I'm targeting maybe $3, 3,000. Then I'll be out. You understand? Maybe I think 1.5. Then I'll take the first withdrawal. You have to first take the first withdrawal. After the first withdrawal, then that's when I can risk it. That's when I can do the barcode entry. The South Africans, they know now. The South African mentees, they know the barcode entry, where you enter a lot of entries, man. It is what it is. The first payout is the one which is crucial, man. It is what it is. So what I'm just trying to say, guys, buy a small account. Some of my mentees, man, they are buying this 2-phase account, 5%, this one, 5K account. They're receiving 100, 200, sometimes $300 a week, per week. Just imagine, man, from just $50. Man. It is what it is. Just buy. If, for example, if you want to learn, that's when you go to the 4, for example, say, but I want to learn right now. I want to learn how to use the bulletproof strategy on prop firm. Buy a 4-phase account. But this one, it will drain. It's a very, very cheap. Only around $20, but it's gonna drain you, because the moment you pass phase 1 and then you pass phase 2, phase 3. Remember that if you're on phase 3, right? If you could have been on phase 2, you could have been, cashing out profits. You understand? This 6% will be coming to you, and this 4% will be coming to you. So as for me, it's cheap, but man, it is what it is. Cheap things, they end up not good. You understand? So you end up paying. But sometimes if it's cheap, you end up paying with your soul. That's what's happening here. Because you have to pass phase 3 and pass phase 4. But this could have been your profits. You understand? So as for me, 2 phases, okay. Because 1 phase, the reason why I don't like 1 phase over here, they have maximum overall loss of 6%. The beautiful thing that they have, it's a static drawdown. It's never trailing. It's never your drawdown will never follow you. You understand? Your drawdown is never up your ass, but if you go and fund it next, their drawdown is trailing, you understand? because the drawdown will be following you. That's not right, man. That's not right. So it is what it is, man. It's Mr. Mbada. Let's check our trade. It's still coming down hard. I mean, it is what it is, man. This is beautiful, man. I thank you, my mentee, man. Thank you, Joseph. This is from Joseph. Thank you, Joseph, man. Look at the end, man. The timing, man. I wasn't even able to see this trade, man. Look at it. And let me check on. Let me check on the, what do you call it? The bulletproof indicator to see. So, guys, this is the bulletproof indicator. So right now on the symbols, I'm trying to look for, right now you're seeing my arrow over here, it's Euro USD. So let's look for USD JPY on the bulletproof indicator, USD JPY, right? Let me try to, this is just a confirmation, but my mentees, they were able to, obviously my mentees, they are using the same indicator. So right now, let's, that's exactly, that's the reason. That's the reason. Yeah, guys. Confirmation, the market, the change of color, it means the market has reached the high of the week. So right now, we are now selling. As you can see, it tried over here, but because this high of the week is very, 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 very powerful, it's gonna come down. So yeah, obviously, Joseph has got the bulletproof indicator. So it is what it is, man. It is what it is here. That was the, the low of the week. The high of this represents 1 week here. It represents 1 week. Here, another week. So it is what it is, man. It is what it is. It is what it is. Let me go here. Over here represents a week. Here represents a week. So right now, as you can see, this is the low of the week. This is the high of the week. The low of this particular week. This is the high of this week. So over here we don't trade. I still remember when I'm telling my mentees that if the market doesn't play out with the bulletproof strategy, so people that be like, so this is the final part. So guys, for those who are saying the bulletproof strategy has got 3 classes. For my mentees who attended class 1 and class 2, I will just have to deploy this third part to you. I'm now touching my mic. So if you have learned part 1 and part 2 of the bulletproof strategy, if you had 2 classes, you only need the final class. But for example, if you didn't have any class of bulletproof strategy with me, guys, my mentees, contact me, guys. I'm teaching you these things for free. I will have the first class. It was a Zoom class so that it was for everybody. The first class of bulletproof strategy, the second class of bulletproof strategy. I think let me try to show you guys so that you guys, guys, I think you have to monitor this trade. Let's go here, bulletproof strategy. Let's try to open the PowerPoint. So guys, I did this strategy in 2019, man. I was a kid, man. When my mentor taught me how to do it, man. Guys, that guy is a G, man. Anyway, it is what it is. As you can see, man, the introduction to the blue, you have to learn all these things. This is class 1 and class 2, the accumulation phase. You're supposed to learn about the breakout. You're supposed to learn about all this. So guys, I can't continue showing all these things, guys. You understand? So this video will be too long. So you must have this first class, and then you have the second class. So after having the first and the second class, then lastly, but not least, we will show you this one. This is like the confirm. So you'll be having actually more than 5 confirmations for you to trade the bulletproof strategy. Please take note of this. You will have 5 confirmations to take note of the bulletproof strategy. First confirmation is confirmed. The accumulation phase, it's confirmed. We don't take an entry. The breakout, my mentees, they know that we don't trade breakouts. The breakout will come, we don't trade it. We'll be just observing. First retest, the second retest. That's when, like right now, the market is behaved according to the bulletproof strategy. The market is followed step by step according to the bulletproof strategy. After that, that's when you take a look for the indicator, the bulletproof indicator. If the bulletproof indicator is indicating that right now, that one was the high of the week, that one was the high, and then we enter. You understand? Hard. But right now, I didn't even go hard, man. I didn't even go hard, man. It is what it is, man. It's Mr. Mbada. I think let me close and withdraw. I'll show you if I'm able to withdraw this. It's not that bad, man. On a first withdrawal, man. It's not that bad. I think I'm closing now. Let me not be greedy. It's 1.6. It's not bad, man. It's not bad. So guys, it is what it is, man. May the grace of the Lord be with you. It's Mr. Mbada. Let me initiate a withdrawal. I will show it to you if I'm able to withdraw, man. It is what it is, man. It's Mr. Mbada.